Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to uninstall multiple apps and games at once on your Android device. So for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work or you don't need to download any extra third-party application. Just follow my easy and very simple method. Just you need to open your Google Play Store on your device. After opening, on the top right side you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. From here you want to open manage apps and device. Just tap on it, and here you can get your storage usage. As you can see, just tap on the storage usage, and here you can get your all install apps and games on your device. If you want to delete multiple apps, just select like this. Just you need to select your apps and games which you want to uninstall. After selecting, on the top right side corner you can get the delete option. If you want to uninstall, just tap on that option. That's it. So in single tap guys, you can uninstall multiple apps and games from your Android device. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.